Every day, Agile teams spend hours doing work that shouldn't require their attention. Updating tools, writing summaries, moving tickets, creating reports over and over again. AI agents can automate repetitive work so your team can focus on solving real problems. At Agile Yogi, you'll learn how to use AI workflows responsibly in real Agile environments. AI doesn't replace Agile professionals. It helps them make better decisions faster. Spend less time managing work and more time creating value. Become AI ready, future ready. Learn practical AI skills with Agile Yogi.